Welcome to 1299 Noguchi Mews, located at M West Complex, located in West Midtown. Boasts a 2-car garage, a fenced-in sunny backyard with your own tree and grill, floor-to-ceiling huge sunny windows with rolling shades, and this unit is about 1,800 square feet. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths with a roommate floor plan. Washer and dryer closet located in the upstairs hallway. A modern loft type feel. Unlike living right on Howell Mill that's getting completely overly developed, M West Townhomes is perfectly located in an area where you can take back roads to go to Buckhead. You have easy access to 285 to get to the Smyrna Vinings area. It's perfect if you're a Georgia Tech student. You can take back roads to get there as well. And there's just several different maneuvers that you can make to bypass this crazy Atlanta traffic. Just imagine enjoying this beautiful fenced-in sunny backyard. Host a barbecue party or let your little pup run around and enjoy nature in the city. You have a great sunny lap pool, a gym with 24-hour access, and a clubhouse if you'd like to just maybe get some time away from home, work out of the clubhouse, or maybe host a party.